Every condo has a story. Now there's a place to keep it. Aina Protocol, the digital logbook for every condo in Hawaii. Most condominium properties are managed through emails, shared folders, and disconnected systems. Documents live in different places. Context gets lost. And over time, no one has the full picture. Boards change. Property managers rotate. Contractors come and go. But the building remains, often for decades. Without a structured system of record, important history disappears. The same questions get asked again and again. And that lack of continuity doesn't just create frustration, it creates risk. Aina Protocol is infrastructure for condominium intelligence. It creates a long-term, organized record of a property's documents, events, and work, all in one place. Think of it as a permanent logbook for a building, designed to preserve knowledge as people, vendors, and managers change. For associations and boards, Aina Protocol preserves institutional memory and supports transparency, continuity, and better long-term decision-making. For property managers, it replaces scattered emails and folders with a single source of truth, reducing repeat work, document requests, and day-to-day friction. For contractors, it provides clearer job context, better documentation, and a more professional way to engage with properties. And for owners, especially those who don't live on island, Aina Protocol provides visibility into how their property is cared for, helping protect long-term value. Aina Protocol also supports complementary tools built on the same foundation. Aina Jobs connects owners, associations, and property managers with contractors through a neutral job board. And Aina Reports provides read-only property reports for real estate professionals, buyers, and escrow teams, helping transactions move faster with clearer information. Together, they extend the same core principle: clarity, accountability, and continuity. Aina Protocol isn't about managing people. It's about preserving the truth of a property over time. Because well-documented properties are better governed, and better governed properties hold their value.